Hey everybody, welcome back to Harles Garage. I have another video on my 2020 Ford Ranger. If you followed this build or followed my channel for any number of time, you know that so far I've installed this Ford Ranger Raptor style grille. I've added the Fox 2.0 suspension to level out the truck, Motegi wheels, and Pro Comp tires, 33s. I've also installed this RCI bed rack. Well, now I'm excited to announce that today I'm going to unbox and install this Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic 2 rooftop tent, or in my case, a rack top tent. Now, I picked this tent from Overland Vehicle Systems eBay page. It's shipped to me free. It's priced at around $1,200, which is very competitive in the rooftop tent market currently. Most of your other brands, you're going to look at spending upwards of $2,000 or more for, a similar tent. But what was also nice is, just besides the free shipping, is that they had them in stock and ready to ship to me. So I ordered it and got it within a few days of ordering it. It also came with a few accessories here. Little dustpan and broom, a set of pillows for inside the tent, and a small table. So I'm going to go ahead and get this tent unboxed here and get it up on the truck and let you know what I think of it. Alright, got the tent removed out of its box. It's packed extremely well in that shipping crate. You can see here, this is the bottom side of it. It's got very nice aluminum diamond plate. Very solid, very sturdy bottom. And here, these holes are where you mount your brackets so that you can install it on your either rooftop or, in my case, bed rack. So I've got a little bit of heavy breath because I had to drag that. It weighs 150 pounds, which isn't heavy, but it's just bulky. So you're probably going to need two people to help you get this up and mounted. So I'm going to have to enlist my parents to help me here in a second. But I'm going to go ahead and open this tent up, get the rest of the instructions and mounting hardware out, and get it all put together. All right, next to get the tent open, there's some Velcro straps on each side. You just loosen those and you should be able to pop the tent open. Alright, got the brackets installed in the tent. What you're going to have to do is take your bolts from the inside of the tent, face them down with the washer and the little crush washer, and that'll allow you to line everything up and mount your support brackets on the bottom. I did it with, did the back ones, or the ones closest up front here. Let me get refocused. I was able to do those by myself, but these I had to have the tent set up on its side, and my mom helped hold it up while I got the rest of these in. That part is a pain in the butt, but it's doable. It's just going to take you a little bit. Now that I've got the mounting brackets on the tent, I'm going to install the ladder next. Alright guys, got all the hardware, the ladder installed. I reclosed the tent and strapped it back down with the Velcro straps. So now it's ready to install my truck. When my parents are here, I'll have them help me lift it up over the truck and I'll get it installed on the truck bed. Alright guys, got the tent mounted up and got it mounted up onto the rack actually here. Let's see if it'll get focus. There you go. Now I had to buy longer bolts. You see this plate right here? I had to buy longer bolts because the RCI rack, the bolts that actually come with it, this RCI rack is too thick. So I had to get a little bit longer bolts. So it was a quick trip to the hardware store, but I got the tent mounted. Of course the outer bag is not on it just yet, so I'm actually going to deploy the tent and set it up and let y'all see around the outside and around the inside, and I'll get things wrapped up. Alright guys, got the tent unfolded and fully deployed here. Only takes about 10 minutes or so to set up the tent completely. I'll do a quick walk around here so you can see. For now I'm using some bricks and some rope as my tie downs for the front of the tent and the rain cover because I'm on cement. Now you enter in the tent through this ladder up here. There's an entrance under this kind of covered awning. And two things, you may notice that first my tent, or at least this entrance, is kind of set up a little bit off uneven. That's because the ground that I'm on is uneven, so that's why that's sitting up just a little bit. And second, this front window, I'm not able to open it. The support rods for the windows, they install in these little slots right here, and they fit in these holes, and I'm not able to completely install both of them on this front section here just because how my cab sits. And since I have the 12-inch RCI rack, that's not that big of a deal. And I actually can open it some, but it runs the risk of rubbing into the truck. So for now, I'll just leave it closed. If I ever get a roof rack, I might be able to find a solution where I can, you know, maybe drill some holes in a roof rack and pop open that front window. But I'll walk around the other side here, just so y'all can see all the way around the tent. Now, so far, I'm really impressed with this tent. The material is this heavier ripstop 600D polycotton material, ripstop material. Heavy duty, which in and of itself is a pretty water resistant. And then it also comes with this lighter weight rain cover as well. So that's the outside of the tent. I'm going to take you on the inside. Alright guys, here I am inside the tent. It's plenty roomy. Pan around here so you can see. Now this comes with a 3-inch thick memory foam mattress that has a washable cover on it. It's pretty comfortable. I could easily sleep and take a nap on it. It also comes with a LED strip light here that I've got hooked up to a battery source, one of my camera batteries with a USB connection, so it lights up the inside of the tent. Above me here is the little skylight. Should you not have the rain cover on and it's a nice day or night, you could open this up and easily look at the stars. So yeah, there's plenty of room in here. I'm actually got my feet hanging out the outside because I just don't want my shoes on this cover. But there's plenty of room in here, and it's very nice in here. So definitely high quality product. Alright guys, that's my quick unboxing and setup video on this Nomadic 2 tent from Overland Vehicle Systems. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you have this tent or plan on getting it, hope this video helps y'all guys out in installing it and setting it up on your vehicle. overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of this tent, and look forward to using it here in the future. In fact, next week my girlfriend and I are going down to my family's ranch and we'll camp out in the tent. And then later in November, Andrew and I are going on a mule deer hunt up in the Panhandle, Lake Meredith, do a couple day mule deer hunt up there. So I'll be bringing this set up as well. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of my truck and this tent setup. And I'll see y'all in the next video.